two variable transformations or bivariate transformations. Suppose a bivariate random variables x and y with means mx and my respectively. Then let the random variables be transformed to other two-dimensional random variables, let's say p and q. Then p and q are linearly related to x and y respectively. So by following relation. Now here what we want is we have the two random variables, of course bivariate random variables x and y. So when these two random variables are transformed to other two-dimensional random variables, they are p and q. Then p and q are linearly related to x and y. Then let's consider that p is equal to ax plus by and q is equal to cx plus dy. So p is a into x and b into y and q is c into x plus d into y. Here a, b, c and this d are the constants. Now whenever we assume in this way the two random variables x and y are related to the other random variables, the p and q, in a two-dimensional plane. So let's find the mean, variance, etc. of these p and q. So mean of p and q is, of course we need to write the mean value of p and q is given by e of p and even it is e of q. So which will be given by e of p and e of q. So this e of p is nothing but e of ax plus by. Just we are substituting the value of p. The value of p is ax plus by. So when we substitute this value ax plus by, so this is equal to a into, when we apply e to both of these ax, we know the expectation is distributive. So e of ax will lead to a into e of x and similarly e of by will lead to b into e of y. And similarly e of q is given by e of cx plus dy. From this again c and d are constants and these can be written as, now e of p is nothing but the mean of p which is represented by mp, and similarly the mean of q is represented by mq. So this mean of p is nothing but a into e of x, expectation of x. So e of x is nothing but mx and similarly e of y is my. So mp and mq are given in this way. So let's see the next point. The next point is, so let's find the variance of now p and q. We know the mean, then let's find the variance of this p and q. The variance of x and y are, let's say, del x square and del y square, and similarly the variances of the p and q are del p square and del q square. Then we know that del p square is given by e of p minus mp the whole square. So we know expectation, how do we write? So we used to write del x square is equal to e of x minus mx we used to write, and similarly we write del p square is equal to e of, it is p minus mp the whole square. Now let's substitute the value of p. The value of p from the last slide is given by, it is ax plus by and q is cx plus dy. So by substituting p as ax plus by and mp of p we have found, that is a into mx plus by and this whole square, and we know this ax plus by can be written as a can be taken now from these terms. Now this mp can be written and ax plus by and this. So from this let's write the terms with a. The terms with a, when we write this, a would be there common, ax, and we take mx. Similarly, the terms with b will be, this terms with b will be by, and it has to be a minus mx. So minus b of my. So from there we can take this common, and then e of, we write this a x minus mx plus b, the square is there, so a square we write the square of, when we go for the a plus b whole square formula, we know that it is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Similarly, by applying that we get a square and the square of this. So this can be treated as a single term, the square of this, even the square of this, plus 2ab, 2a into b, and these two terms we get. And from this, e of a square x mx square, this we can write plus, similarly in this way. Now by adjusting, this a square can be taken out, so it is e of x minus mx the whole square, which is nothing but del x square. Similarly, this 2ab is there, x minus mx, y minus my are nothing but expectation of x minus mx, and y minus my is nothing but del x and del y's. So we are writing this as 2ab e of x minus mx, it is 2ab e of x minus mx y minus my plus b square e of y minus my. So it would be y minus my square. So this, when we solve, we get this as a square del x square plus 2ab, then this e of x minus mx, e of x minus mx, this x minus mx and y minus my is nothing but c of xy, and this is b square, e of y minus y square is nothing but del y square, and we get this one as, now after solving it for del q square in a similar way, how we solved, in a similar way how we have solved it for del p square, we get it as c square del x square plus 2 into c into d cxy plus d square del y square. So c of xy is covariance of x and y, which is known to us. Now covariance of c of pq, covariance of p and q is nothing but e of p minus mp and q minus mq. So when we substitute the values of p and mp and q and mq, so after solving we get this one as a into c del x square plus b into d del y square plus ad plus bc cxy. Now let's see the problems in relation with these. So let's learn the problems related to these two-dimensional random variables transformations. So the problem goes like this. Two-dimensional random variables p and q are linearly related to other two-dimensional random variables x and y. Follows p is equal to x plus by and q is equal to cx plus dy. Express x and y in terms of p and q if a is equal to cos theta and b is equal to minus sin theta, c is equal to sin theta and d is equal to cos theta. Whenever this case is there, we need to go for representation of this one in this form. So we can go ahead with this. Let's consider our p Now, as A, B, C and D are given, let's write P is equal to the equation, whatever is given, Q as whatever is given. Then PQ is given by, it is nothing but A, B, C, D in the matrix form and XY. So which gives the same equation. Then we are asked to express X and Y, means we have to find X and Y. So let's write X and Y is nothing but, we have to take this AB plus CD, this matrix on the other side. So it is AB, CD of PQ, and when it goes on the other side it becomes inverse. So to find the inverse, we know the rules of 2 into 2 matrix. We need to exchange the diagonal elements. Now let this D goes first and A would be here, and this B and C, so signs would be changed, and we divide it by its determinant value. So it is AD minus BC. So when we do this, it is nothing but the value of X and Y. So let's find this. Now X and Y, we need to substitute the values. So D is cos theta. So we need to substitute that whatever is A, B, C and D. So our D is cos theta and A is cos theta, and minus B is minus of minus sine theta, and C is just sine theta, it becomes minus sine theta. So when we write in this, and this multiplication, when we write cos theta at these places and sine theta, minus sine theta here and sine theta, so we'll get plus cos square theta plus sine square theta PQ. So XY will be given by this value, because cos square plus sine square is 1, so PQ, which is nothing but X is equal to P cos theta plus Q sine theta. Similarly, Y is equal to P sine theta plus Q cos theta. So we can consider another problem, and one can go for its work. Now consider two-dimensional random variables X and Y. They are related to each other by two-dimensional random variables P and Q, as P is equal to 4x plus 2y and Q is equal to x plus 2y. So X and Y have 0 means and the variances, and rho xy is equal to minus 0.5. Then obtain rho PQ. So we can go for finding it. So CXY is given here. The CXY is, we need to find C of XY here. So by using the relation rho of XY is equal to C of XY divided by del X del Y. So by using that coefficient of rho XY term, we need to find the C of XY, and once we find C of XY, then del P square and del Q square are to be found, and once the del P and del Q are there with us, we can find what is C of PQ, because all these above relations are there to find these all. So we can find del P square by means of this equation and del Q square by means of this equation, and C of PQ by using this relation, as we are known with A, C and del X's, del X, del Y's. So once we find these all, then we can write rho of PQ, again the same equation, rho of PQ is equal to C of PQ divided by del P and del Q. So by using those, we get these answers. So we can see the solution of this way. And meanwhile, for covariance is equal to 0, covariance of X and Y is equal to 0, then cos square theta minus sin square theta is equal to cos 2 theta, as 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to sin 2 theta. We can write in this form also. The covariance of P and Q is related to the angle tan. So tan of 2 theta is equal to 2 of covariance of P Q divided by del P square minus del Q square, which can be written in this fashion: 2 of CPQ divided by del P square minus del Q square. So if we are saying a problem on this, so if mu P and mu Q means are 0, if we have the means as a 0 and variance is equal to 1 and 7, then rho of PQ and rho of PQ is equal to 0.3. Then we can go for finding rho of PQ. We know this relation, so the same can be applied with P and Q. Then by applying this relation with P and Q, we get this equation. And here we are known with rho of PQ, that is minus 0.3, and C of PQ is to be found, and del P and del Q are given. Del P is equal to 1 and del Q is root 7. So when we substitute those, we get C of PQ is equal to this value, which is around 0.79. So tan of 2 theta is equal to 2 into C of PQ, that is minus 0.7937, divided by, as per the above formula, so this is del P square minus del Q square. So del P square is 1 and del Q square is 7. So we get this one as, so here this 2 into, by using the formula, it is del P square minus del Q square. So this del Q square has to be 7. So it is 1 minus 7 is going to be 6. So this is 0.1 into 0.6 divided by 6 is 0.1 into root 7. So this would be 6. So when we solve this one, we are getting around 7.4. We get 7.4. So this will be the problem.